Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to pop on really quick because I got a package in the mail today from my friend Tracy. Tracy, you know who you are. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I wonder what she sent me, because she sent me a box a while back full of just amazing crafting items. So I got this box today. And I'm like, I wonder what she sent me. Tracy girl, I am so happy. You guys, she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolling pins. You guys, have you ever seen anybody get excited over a damn rolling pin? Okay. Oh my goodness. I am just thrilled. Tracy, thank you so very much. And would you like me to upcycle one of these for you? And if you would, you have to let me know what you would like on it. I mean, I just can't thank you enough, Tracy. You are awesome. So guys, be looking forward to some thrift flipped rolling pins coming up in my upcoming live sale. Thank you, Tracy. Bye, guys.